Alrighty boys, made it down here to the Wood Boys site. Put some Euroshield on this outdoor kitchen, pal. Kevin, Toddy, Ian, Mitch, Bartholomew. The most sophisticated. Yes, boy. Got the big time site boss, Chuck Nasty.
Here, Chuck Nasty, master of everything.
That's right.
And we got them roof boys out here. Put a roof.
So you know she's gonna be sealed up right tight.
Oh, she's
this
gonna be
lid.
sealed tighter than one of my miters.
Oh, that's right, brother. Yeah, we got the black Euroshield Vermont slate. Pop the daisy. Grab her up, Mitchie. Don't be afraid. She's all yours, pal. There's more where that one come from. Alright, brother.
More.
We'll get it done for you.
All right. I'll see you down there.
Ooh, this one felt ooh.
That's the lightest one in the pile.
You're just gonna take one cut.
Oh,
Oh,
maybe 10 next time.
well, that is the heaviest one in the pile, so. This medium weight one for Ian.
Don't.
I figured you want those.
Yeah. Well, it's a familiar size, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Makes sense.
That's my favorite size. You don't need anything bigger than that, buddy. I don't say.
Got ourselves rocking and rolling here. Working on doing these corners for the drip edge. Want to have them crisper than your sandwich, buddy. Toddy, Marty, Mitch already up there slamming on the roof. Kev keeping everybody fed. Hot dog, pal. Getting after it, boys. Look at these lads go. Clockwork for these boys. How you like that Milwaukee boots? You still performing?
It's big, man. Not an inch. She's sold. It's sold.
You gonna get one?
No. I really like them.
Fast side or nipple?
Back.
Yeah, there's a big hunk here, buddy.
It's like the OC lumber of roofs.
Yeah.
The durability, like that.
That's a forever roof right there.
Alrighty boys, on our Euroshield you can see the lock there on the bottom. It hangs down off the shingle. So when you lock these together, it actually locks downward into the one below it. It has these spacers to keep them apart. So you get that situated down in the lock. I'll bang it to lock it in. We're not worried about hurting the shingle, boys. You couldn't hurt this if you're Ric Flair himself, buddy. So knock that end, have her in place. This end, boom, fill out our middle. You can see each shingle tells you exactly where to put each nail. There's an X, and guess what, pal? Pirates taught me anything, buddy. X marks the spot, so I'll hit it. Yeah, I'll hit it good. So each shingle gives you the pattern here. It's got written on it, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. The rotund roof goat, buddy. So I likes to pop her in, give her the shimmy shake, get her over. like that, rinse, repeat, boys. Stuff fills in super quick. Once you get going, you have your pattern built. Buddy, take it to town like your favorite horse. That's what this roof is, 60 tires, yeah.
That's freaking a certain amount of cars.
It's 15 vehicles.
That's 15 vehicles.
But that's only, that's 30 motorcycles.
That's true.
Yeah.
I do only not the motorcycles. Think you can hit the pool from up here?
I think I could.
A little swan dive?
I think I'd probably hit the water at a progressive rate, shoot at the other side like a dolphin, land on my 2 feet.
Yeah. If you did the right dolphin sound when you're going down, I think I could dive in there, skim back up, land over in the woods with Bigfoot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it doesn't even look like rubber from the ground until you touch her. Give her a sniff. Right there.
It's got the Japanese vibe.
Yeah, look at that. Japanese carpentry.
Yeah, we didn't use any fasteners. They're all hand doweled.
And finished?
Yeah, everything.
You tongue and groove that, right?
It's tongued for sure. Nobody was.
The groove yet?
Yeah, Marty was grooving a little bit.
I could turn that into a dojo.
I think it is the beginning of a dojo.
Getting dojo.
Definitely a good place to drink a Joe.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
a couple
iron it.
Joes under there.
Yeah, you'll get in the dojo, smoke some.